I called a Jamaican restaurant in Florida.
Department, how can I assist?
Hello, good afternoon. What time do you close?
Hi, could you repeat that?
What time do you close today?
We close at 10.
Okay. Do you got Indian food there?
Indian?
What kind of restaurant do you do?
It's Jamaican.
What kind of Mumbai there they got do you got oxtail?
We have curry goat and roti, and we have oxtail.
They have what kind of Mumbai they got oxtail, curry goat, roti. Do you want to get something for the order?
We also have jerk chicken, fried chicken, brown stew, curry chicken.
What is brown stew chicken? What is order curry goat? Jerk chicken? What is aloo?
Rice and peas, or you get cabbage corn, shredded cabbage, or salad.
Do you got do you at do you got curry? Coat for curry on top? What do you for the food?
Hi, good day, Nigel and Kerman.
No, thank you for the I would do you got fun body for the curry go to put it on top or the for the curry?
Only thing I heard you said it was curry goat.
No, but then what do you speak Hindi?
We have curry goat.
Do you get I've asked what for you? Do you speak Indian? Hindi?
English, only English.
Oh, thank you for I will normally don't speak Hindi, only English. What curry goat, jerk chicken?
Yes, we have curry goat and jerk chicken.
What time do you close, sir?
We close at 10.
Okay, thank you, but I will come there. Go till you don't understand what I say on the phone, I will come, okay? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Namaste. Abdul.